I think it's time to finally tear down this duct tape wall that we built over the air conditioner because I had a horrible draft. The weather's nice outside. Maybe I can get some air in here finally because it's really hot in here. So actually, turn down the heat too, just because that might help. Alright, I'll get started on this. Back door, only 10 seconds in, it begins. Should've told her it's my way. Again, is that okay? The duct tape took a chunk of paint off the wall, but it's really not my fault. The maintenance guys came in here and did the same thing. So this is what's left. Oh, it's the trash bag duct tape thing. The air conditioner is a lot smaller than I remember too. But okay. Let's see, maybe we can get some air in here. Gotta plug it in first. Got some air in here finally, it's beautiful.